Dutch Bros is an incredibly popular coffee and energy drink maker that started in the Pacific Northwest and has begun to expand to the rest of the country. The company came public in 2021 and has been an extremely popular, if volatile, stock. Although Dutch Bros does franchise some of its locations, it owns the vast majority of them, and each one becomes extremely profitable after opening. Since I'm based out of the Pacific Northwest, I've been very familiar with this company for quite some time, so I bought it when it IPO'd. I've been looking forward to its initial public offering. For me, its popularity and its incredible growth trajectory make it a really good long-term investment. But that being said, there's a lot to be aware of when it comes to Dutch Bros. On Thursday this week, Dutch Bros announced a $300 million stock equity offering, and this caused the stock to sell off suddenly immediately after open. However, the good news is there was huge demand for the offering that cleared at $26 a share. In fact, if you had bought at $26 a share, you'd actually be up now. I did add to my Dutch Bros position on Thursday, with my buy order filling at $25.70. This buy lowered my per share cost 1.44%. From $34.70 down to $34.20. From here, I am continuing to be aggressive when it comes to adding to this position, but I'm doing so in small quantities. So although my next buy is at $24.70, slightly above the low it saw on Thursday, it won't be a big buy. Also, as I've mentioned in previous videos, Dutch Bros is incredibly volatile, so my next sell target is at $38.45, a point of resistance that Dutch Bros has seen repeatedly in the past. I had a viewer ask me, why do I take profits in positions if I think they're going to go higher? And the reason is because when there's a lot of volatility, I can lower my cost basis over time by trimming my positions. I never sell my entire position and I never buy my entire position. When I do take profits, it's very small sales. And when I add, it's typically very small adds. We have no idea which way stocks are going to go, and it's best to do things in small quantities. If you want to learn more about long-term investing, in addition to seeing my own personal stock shopping list of where my next buy targets are for all of my positions, check out my website, getirk.com, which is always 100% free. Please hit like and subscribe. It really does help my channel out, and I'll see you in the next video.